Super discount ni sabti atho shong kurim hado sanpho percent. Shimi kering ka kabuk siar kapadan bit take away ke sabti kaway ke design. One chika wet showroom hamot pran pat maulai mauro lani phone ho number kandai sao lai rio san pra nyo lai pra.
Kalaban Sports Club Table Tennis Academy Kalasdang ye Limpong Ilakai Table Tennis Kratipika with second inter-school table tennis championships Arhajar Arsan Laplong Yakapo Laban Sports Club Indoor Sports Hall ya kaba layasnok tilang but office jongga Directorate of School Education and Literacy ka Soka Jilla Agani ka St. Jam ka Baar ki school ki Lawan Banyachim Banta Kilong St. Anthony's High Secondary School BDW International School PK Bajoria Risa Higher Secondary School KV EAC of Pachlong, RB Public School, Pine Mount School, Grace Academy School, All Saints, but St. Edmunds. Agni ka Limpong, Lapia ya kijingi ko pa ka kadani kun ka under 17 but under 12 ki kintay, but Chendrang ya kijingi ko Lapia ro ka kadani kun chung ka team but ki individual events, but habakan kulum kijingi kun baro kilong kandru tuli ha ka kadani kun chung under 12 boys, nyaw tuli ha ka under 12 girls, lipo tuli ha ka under 17 boys but katway tuli ha ka under 17 girls, but baro kijingi kun kilong hundru pusaw tuli. Kong san balal play padrai kini kijingi kop te principal jongka school Pine Mount ikong bandri umdor nong pri but simbut kong san de ba yos sun chairman jongka riat laban dor ba pelun abai de pat kini layo ya kalat panyakran pat ba Vernon Siem the secretary ka Laban Sports Club pat kumju coach jong kini ka academy Jitan Gadari
General Secretary of Laban Sports Club, Mr. Vernon Siem, and Mr. Coach, Mr. Jitan, our head coach of this academy of table tennis academy here in our sports club.
We started this inter-school with the main aim to get the young talents from the state. Actually, like our state has got a lot of potential in table tennis. So the main aim of conducting that inter-school was that only, and this is the second inter-school which we are conducting because last year also we got a very good response from the various schools, and this time we have a lot of schools compared to last year, more number of participants and who are showcasing their talents, and I think from here we can get a lot of young talents which we can polish from our academy, and they can bring laurels to the state in the coming days.
With the national games is coming up in the year 2027, do you think from this academy you can produce any player which they can go on to represent the state?
Definitely. National Games is like in 2027, so we have some time, and definitely if we start from now with full force with the help of the government, then definitely chances are there like we can get some medals, although it is a very difficult chance, but 2 years I think from now if we start, then some good chances are there.
Coming back to this championships, what do you as a coach, what are your expectations from this second edition of this tournament?
See, basically as I told, like the main purpose of conducting the inter-school was to get the talents, and school is the best place where we can get the young talents. So with the second edition, like we did the first edition of inter-school, there we could get some good number of players who are like at the young age, and we have talked to their parents and they were interested in sending them to the academy. So likewise in the second edition also we are hoping like some good talents are there, and we can convince the parents and bring them so that we can polish them for the future tournaments ahead for the state.
Do you have any special message on this second edition? What is your message as a coach from this academy to the other children or parents of the state?
See, basically I just want to say that like our state compared to other states of the country, like we have less places, exposure for other sports facilities wise. So I mean like table tennis has got a lot of scope, like Laban has got a very beautiful indoor stadium. Likewise there are some places where table tennis stadiums are there. So I just want to tell the parents that table tennis has got a lot of scope, and to send their children to the academy where they can polish their talents, and they can do well in the future.